Alright, but we're going to be looking at how we can actually do some calculation in Microsoft Word. So I'll be guiding you through that particular area there. Right, and as you can see right here, definitely, let me bring it up that you can actually see how to do calculation in Microsoft Word. Yeah, there are several ways in which you can actually do calculation in Microsoft Word. Right, so I'm going to take you to the instruction and what you're going to definitely do. Right, if you notice right here, you want to do this here, calculate 23 times 34. If you notice right here, it's another figure right here. And this one is the minus, and this one is the multiply. So if you notice, we have a table right here. So if you notice right down here, we don't have any figure over here. So we want to add all of these together, come down the line. And here we want to add all of this come down to the line. And when you're done, you come right here, you notice convert number to word. So select, you see this word here. We're going to convert these number here right here to this word here. Very important right here. All right, that we're going to do that. All right. So the first thing we want is to bring up a Microsoft Word document. All right. So we're going to come right here and we're going to bring up a Microsoft Word document. So now we bring up a Microsoft Word document right here. All right. So let me see if I can put them both side and side that I can actually see them so far. All right. So this one, we can put the cursor right here and size it up like that. Good. So if you notice, you can actually see both of them together so far. All right. So this is something that you can actually do whenever time you actually have more than one document limit. So the first one we're going to look at right here. We're going to first one to type is a 23. Right. And then the X is still mean times. That's the same. And then you're going to put 34. And I have equal. Right. So very important now. Or you're going to actually do this. All right. So let me increase this one so that you can actually see it like that. All right. Good. So let me restore it back down. So there you go now. So what you wanted to do next with this, let me set back this down. All right. Is to, you're going to use the system to do that. So on your keyboard, you're going to see CTRL, which is mean control. And then you will see F9. So both of them we're going to use to get the bracket. It's very important. You have some of the computer that you have to use the FN key, just the same. But if you're using a desktop computer, you just press the control and F9. So I'm going to press the control and the F9 together. Now when I press the control and F9 together, if you notice I get a bracket like this. Yes, it's very important. Now the next thing that I wanted to do now is to put equal. But remember, all figure start with an equal, whether it's in Microsoft Excel or in Microsoft, right? So we're going to type the 23 right here. We're going to press the shift and 8. So the asterisk right there means multiply. And say 34. Right, let me remove that and put 34. I remember, you notice you see it highlight, don't take it off of highlight, because if you take it off of highlight, it won't work. All right, so in the meantime, bring it back up like here. If you notice it now, so I'm going to put the cursor right here, I'm going to right click. Now when you right click, if you notice right here, show a paste option, field update, it's an edit field, you notice the tag of field code, font and paragraph. But you want to focus on right here, that's it, field update. So you're going to click on field update. You notice it's exactly what you actually have so far. So we're going to look at the next one. So the next one that we have right here. All right, let me just type it. 3. All right, times 3, 4 equal. All right, let me type the next one right there. We're going to say 877 minus 45. Enter, I'm going to type the next one, 65. Divide, slash sign mean divide, 7, and equal. All right, so let me put the equal sign right here. Just the same. All right, so let me bring it up that you can actually see it now. All right, good. So this one now, definitely we're going to approach it. All right, definitely. So let me block it and see if I can increase it one side to bring it up some more. All right, just like that now. So you're going to press the Control and the F9 together. Now press that. You're going to put equal. Right, so you're going to say 233. As I said, press the Shift key and 8 to get the asterisk. Time 344. You're going to put the cursor right there. You're going to right click and you're going to come right here to field update. And there you go. You're going to click right here. You're going to press the Control and F9 again. Right up here. Notice I get that. You're going to put the equal. So notice this one is minus. Right? Our takeaway is 877. Right? You're going to go up and you're going to put a minus sign right there. And there's a 45. You're going to put the cursor on it just like that. You're going to right click. Field update. Right? If you notice. Right here. What the father can see. Definitely. This one is not correct. Alright, let me do back over again with that one. Alright, let me press the F9 again. Right, so equal. And say 877. Alright. Minus 45. Alright, so we're going to put the cursor right there on it. We're going to right click again. Right, we're going to get field update. Right, if you notice right here now, so this is self. That is correct. Now go to come right here again. You press the F9 and the Control key right here, just the same. We're going to press the equal. So we're going to say 65. Right, you put the slash. And this is 7 so far. Alright. So what you wanted to do is you put the cursor on it. So you want to right click on it. From right click, you're going to go to field update. Alright, if you notice right here, or let me go back again. Something's not right there. Let's go back again and do it. Alright. Then I said equal to 65. Alright, the right side right here. And 7. Alright, you're going to come like this. You're going to click. Alright. And there you go. Right here. So the next thing that you wanted to do definitely right over here. Right, is to convert the number right here. Right. So we're gonna enter. So I want to put the number down. I want to put 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm gonna press enter. The numbers now is 5, 5, 4, 5, 4 right there. So we'll also convert to words, right? So I'm going to convert that to words. So the first one now, you're going to block it. When you block it, you're going to use the same method, which is the Control and F9. Now, when you do that now, Control and F9, right, let me remove that. Alright, let me do about that a while ago. Because actually block not supposed to be there. Alright, let me go back. Alright, good. Let me give it some space by pressing enter. Alright, so let's block it. You're going to press the Control and F9. Right? So now you press the Control and X9. So you want to put the equal. Right? So you want to back right here. So what you want to do right here, now you want to put a forward slash right there. You're going to hold on the Shift key and press the 8 right here. And then you're going to type the word card, C-A-R-D. And there's a text, E-X, text like that. Now you want to put the cursor on it. You want to right click. You notice this is the same field update. So you want to click on it. You notice you convert it to the words, just the same. Alright, I'm going to do this one just the same. I'm going to press Control and F9, just the same. I'm going to put the equal, just the same. You're going to go right back to here. I'm going to put the forward slash. I'm going to press the Shift and press 8. Right, you're going to type the word card here and then text. Then you're going to put the cursor on it and then you're going to right click. You're going to press field update. Alright, and there you go with it so far. So you actually complete the second set, right? So let me minimize this one. But if you notice, this itself is the table. This itself is the table that you can actually do the calculation in it, right? So we're going to bring up a table right here in Word, just the same. All right, so what I want is to bring up a table in Word. All right, so along like that, we're going to come up right here to the insert. When you click on insert, what will happen definitely? You bring up a table, from like that. All right, so we're going to actually bring up, all right, 4, like that. So good, so now we have it, now we're going to scroll up. So we're going to add some random number inside of it. Just the same. The arrow key to the left, right? You press it down one now. Just the same. Push the one back to the left. All right, let me take out this. All right, and then you can click the one back to the left again. Right. So this is a different set of calculation now. So if you notice right here, you're going to add all of these here and put it right here. And down here, you're going to add everything right here and put it right there. All right. So the first thing you wanted to click right in here. Notice when I click right in here, what you see come up right up here. Notice this is design and this is layout. We're going to click on layout. Now when I click on layout, right, what you definitely see when you click on layout, if you notice right here, this is the FX formula. Right, so you're going to make sure you're clicking here, and this is the FX formula. You're going to click on it. Now, when you click on it, you notice right here, this little dialog box come up. You can actually move it. But if you notice the equal sum bracket left, yes, you're going to just come right here because I already have it already. So just click. Okay, you notice you calculate it. Now you're going to click into the second line. You're going to go back up here, say FX. You notice it's the above. Now, when you're doing this, I say above. One thing you have to just backspace the above and type the word left in it. And then you press OK. And then you get the answer right there. Right? You come right here. You want to click on the FX, just the same. And as I said, when you say above, right there, you move it. And you're going to put left. Right there. And then you're going to press OK. And that's exactly what you get. Now we're going to do the calculation right here. Everything come up. Now when you click right in here, you're going to click on it, CMFX. Then when you click on FX, you notice it's above. So you want to click on OK. You notice right here. And why show a 7? Because this one actually empty. All right, so let me erase that and add something inside here. Let me just add something in both of these that you can actually see. All right, so we're going to come right here. Just this here. All right, so I'm going to click right here now. Click the FX formula right here. Notice, ensure that it's above and not left, right? You notice you calculate everything now. All right, you're going to do the same thing. Just the same. Notice it's above. Let's press OK. From like that again, you press the FX. So these are so. You notice, ensure. Click it. All right, you click right over here. Evaluate FX formula. Notice above. And click. So this is how we actually do calculation in Microsoft Word and to convert words right back to text to number and number to text. Right. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.